Hello friends, welcome to Janelle and Friends. Welcome to class Little Explorers. Today, we are going under the sea. Let's meet some amazing sea animals. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Sea animals are animals that live in the ocean and seas. They swim, crawl, or float in water, and they cannot live on land like people do. Examples of sea animals are fish, dolphins, sea turtles, jellyfish. The ocean and sea is their home, just like houses are our home. This is a dolphin. Did you know dolphins are super smart? They use clicks and whistles to talk to each other. Let's meet the shark. Sharks are strong swimmers. They have many sharp teeth. Sharks live deep in the ocean. Did you know sharks have been around since before dinosaurs? That's ancient.
Huh?
Our next stop is a whale. This is a whale. Blue whales are the biggest animals on Earth, even bigger than the elephant.
Oh no!
Whales are very big animals. They are gentle and calm. Whales sing sounds under the sea.
Oh wow!
Can you guess the name of this animal? Did you say sea turtle? Correct. Sea turtles swim slowly and calmly. They have hard shells to protect them. Sea turtles love the ocean. Did you know sea turtles can live for many years and always return to the beach where they were born? Amazing! Let's meet the octopus. This is an octopus. An octopus has 8 arms. It is very clever. Octopuses can hide using colors. Fun fact, an octopus has 3 hearts.
Oh wow!
Can you guess the name of this animal? If you said starfish, you are absolutely correct. This is a starfish. Starfish have 5 arms. They move very slowly. Starfish live on the ocean floor. Fun fact, starfish can grow back a lost arm just like magic.
Oh wow!
Is this a lobster?
No!
It's a crab. This is a crab. Crabs walk sideways. They have strong claws. Crabs like to hide in the sand. This is a seahorse. Seahorses are small and cute. They swim upright. Seahorses like to hold onto plants. Guess what? Daddy seahorses carry the babies, not the mom.
Ew!
Great job, superstars! It's quiz time. Are you ready? Let's go! Yeah! Which sea animal is a mammal, not a fish? A shark. B. Dolphins. C. Octopus. If you said dolphin, you are absolutely amazing. Dolphins breathe air like humans. Correct. Which sea animal has 3 hearts? A fish. B. Whale. C. Octopus. Correct. It's octopus. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, 1 to the body. Correct. Final question. Which of these animals carries its home on its body? A crab. B. Seahorse. C. Turtle. You got it. It's turtle. Correct. Great job, ocean explorers. You did an amazing job guessing the sea animals today. If you had fun learning and playing, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can swim back for more fun videos. See you in our next learning adventure. Bye for now. Hope you've learned something new today. See you in our next video.